This is how to convert a photo from PNG to JPEG, right, or JPG on an iPhone Photos app. Okay, so the first step you need to take is to get to the Photos app. Look at mine here and we tap on it. Once your Photos app opens, get to the photo you want to convert from PNG to JPEG and tap on it. So look at this one here. I'll tap on it. But before then, let's just confirm the format of this photo. So tap on the eye. On tapping on the eye, you can see that this is in PNG. So now let's take the further steps of converting it to JPEG free of charge. The first step is to tap on the share icon, which is at the bottom left. On tapping on that, you'll be provided with some options. Drag up, okay? Then select the option of Save to Files. Then give this file a name. So I will tap there and give it a new name. Let's call this Experiment. While we are saving it in the Files app, alright, is for us to be able to do the conversion successfully, because Photos app does not have the tools, the inbuilt tools that will allow us to do this. So after you change the name, tap on Save. So I have saved this. So let's get back to the Photos app. Okay, so let's get to the home page. Get to the Files app of your iPhone. So look at my Files app. I will tap on it. As the Files app opens, get to the picture you want to convert or the photo you want to convert to PNG and long press on it. On long pressing on it, you will see some options. Select Quick Actions. On selecting Quick Actions, you will see Convert Image. Tap on it. From the Convert Image options, you can see JPEG, you can see PNG, you can see HEIF. Our interest here is JPEG, so tap on JPEG. Then it gives you some options on the image size. Do you want it in small size, medium size, or large, or original? I want it to remain its original size, so I will select original. So you can see we now have another version of this same picture, all right? But how you know the difference, the one that is in JPEG, is from the time. We first transferred this here around 9:39, but this new conversion, which is in JPEG, is around 9:41. All right, I think difference of 2 minutes. Now let's take this converted photo back to the Photos app. For you to do that, long press on the converted one. Then you will see some options. Select Share. On selecting Share, select Save Image. So this newly converted photo has now been saved in the Photos app. Let's get back to our Photos app. So I will get to Photos and tap. Then I'm on Photos app. So look at the one we just converted. I will tap on it. Then to confirm the new format, tap on the eye icon. I can see this is in JPEG. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.